Today I'm up with a new video regarding different phrases which can be used to express happiness. For saying I'm happy, we can use the following idioms and similes. For example, we can say I'm on cloud nine, I'm on top of the world, I'm in seventh heaven, I'm over the moon, I'm floating on air, I'm having a whale of a time, I'm walking on sunshine, I'm tickled pink, I'm walking on air, and I'm full of the joys of spring. And now we have our different similes which can be used to express happiness. So here they are. The first one we have is I'm as cheerful as a lark, or we can also say I'm happy as a lark. Lark is a bird whose voice is quite melodious and cheerful. The second one we have is I'm as happy as a clam, and the next one is I'm as happy as a pig in clover. So, weren't these idioms interesting? Do use them whenever you want to say I'm happy. So friends, I hope you liked my video, and if you really did, do hit the like button, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the bell icon which is present on the right side of your screen. Till then, bye bye.